Identity extinction. Identity extinction. I just saw a video, a young lady on TikTok and on Instagram, I think it was Instagram, was talking about how AI or artificial intelligence is actually causing an identity crisis. Identity simply means that how we self-identify, because we don't identify with our innate attributes and characteristics like we should. We get our identity from what we do. We all do. We get a sense of being, sense of purpose, sense of value from our job, from our purpose, our destiny, from what we do. So we don't get it from who we be. So in order to increase what you do, which increases what you have, you got to increase who you be. Now, the reason why this is so important is the end game and the end result of everything that I've been doing for the last 20 plus years is all about identity. If you go back to the Destiny and the Dear Canoe Report, the Destiny and the Dear Canoe Report was about helping you find your true core identity. It's about who are you in the Christos, in Christ. Who are you? What's your frequency? What is your wave? What is your verb? What is your vibe? And so once we establish that identity, AI came along and says, no, you're not. So what AI has done or is doing is it's replacing people. And what used to take an army or a village, now one man with AI can do. I've been using AI myself and creating these AI algorithms, aka agentic AI, autonomous AI agents. That just simply means you set up a website that performs a specific task or task. This is so imperative, man. I don't know how to express it. A lot of us melanated folk are going to get left again. It's history repeating itself because we are stuck in religion. We're stuck in, oh, I don't want to learn. I don't want to grow. I don't want to expand my consciousness, my destiny, my diaconia. It's me, my foe, and no more. We bury our heads in the sand because it is challenging, man. You spend your entire life, let's say, getting your degree and going into a certain area of specialty, and then your whole livelihood is taken from you. That's what happened to me. You can write a book. You can use AI to write a book now. What I used to do for a living, now that's gone. That's been replaced by AI. So I had to rebrand. I have to. So you're gonna have to rebrand because of artificial intelligence, and it's affecting all areas. It's affecting no matter what area you're in, no matter what's your level of expertise. Eventually, a machine is going to be able to do it just as good, faster, better, and cheaper than what you would do. So I have my space identity protocol. This helps you establish a new ID. A new identity that's based upon your spirit, your psyche, your authenticity. Because if you're not spiritual, if it's not psychological, and if it's not real and authentic, it can be duplicated, it can be implemented, it can be stolen. So anybody, they got this AI out that can take a URL, website, an address, or just some data and clone, copy exactly what you do. So there's no such thing as proprietary information anymore. The moment that you release it and post it, somebody else can copy it the next day. So gone are the days of establishing something, kicking back, and just watching the money roll in. We're now in the age and in the day of being able to transform, like the age of the Transformers. Because now, because of artificial intelligence, people are able to copy, mimic, clone, exactly what you do. So now you can recreate, you don't have to learn to play an instrument anymore. Movies, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Singing, there's these AI songs, pretty much actors, so you name it pretty much, except, getting into some of the service industry. There's AI, a rocket lawyer, AI lawyers, AI doctors. So AI is coming. Let me rephrase that. AI is here. It's not coming. But that's not a bad thing, because now it's a tool. So, but where people are mistaking is, or making a big error, is they're using AI to establish their identity instead of using your God-given identity, because AI can't copy it. You can make a digital version of yourself, but you cannot make a digital. You can make a digital God, but you cannot make a digital copy of God. That's already been tried. That's how we got here. The earth realm is a copy of the heavenly realm, but that's another study for another time. But what we need to over and understand is that this is a day and age that you actually should be really excited. You should be amplified. You should be motivated. I am, because I'm excited at the opportunities, plural, more than one. So you have an opportunity and opportunities. One of the best opportunities, one of the best things that you can do is partner with me here within the next 2 or 3 days and go through my entire space, spiritual, psychological, authentic, conscious energy, 6-month identity protocol transformation. You got to change your ID, because AI has replaced your current ID. I used to be an author. The website, look at the title of the website. Author to architect. So I had to change. I used to be an author. Still am. But anybody can be an author now. You can write a book. I can write a book in 15 minutes, if that, 5 minutes. I'm talking about like awesome. Or AI can do it. So AI is causing people to have to change your identity. Let me say that again. This is extremely important. AI is forcing us to change our identity. We have to grow up. Not just me, but everybody on this phone call. You have to grow up now. Grow up meaning you have to connect with source. Connect with source means that you have to be a son or a daughter. This is the manifestation of the sons of God, because of the AI extinction event that is taking place. And to the degree that you can over and understand the statement that I just made determines the degree and the level of your success here in the future. This is the image I just created to go with today's discussion. Again, created this image. This used to take, wow, these thumbnail images for my TikTok videos used to take a while. Now, 10, 15 seconds. So you see images like this all over the internet. Anybody can go to Gemini or ChatGPT or Perplexity or Copilot or whatever and create an image. So there's no value in images. This is an awesome, back in the day, man, this would be an awesome image. But there's a lot of awesomer, if that's a word, there are a lot of images that are way more awesome than this image. So identity extinction event is here. However you identify, what label are you using? You are who are you? What do you do? You're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a reverend, whatever you are, boo-boo, that is being replaced. Or get your popcorn. Stick around, homie. It is going to be replaced. So you got to go back to what I started with 20 plus years. One of the first books I wrote, Dare to Be You. Be original or die a copy. That's where we're at now. So we're at the day, we're at the state, we're at the level of awareness where regardless of how you self-identify, you have to now self-identify as a true authentic self. Because AI is replacing everything and everyone else. This is an identity extinction event. It's already here. Identity extinction is already here. Your identity is being exterminated by AI. So you got to get a new identity. I highly, again, you're grown, bruh. You're grown, sis. Do what you want to do. All I'm just suggesting, is that you connect with your true authentic self. Now, what does that look like in English? This is my, flip over to my Facebook account and show you a couple of the images that's what I'm talking about. And again, also you can go to my website, MT33 Author to Architect. MT33 Author to Architect. And the reason why that's so important is because all of this stuff that I've been doing over the years, all of the books that I've written, anybody now can do those and write those books. And so they lost their value. Music, everything that we used to hold in high esteem, all those frequencies, waves, verbs, and vibrations are gone now. Now, we have to look in the mirror and we have to ante up. See, we have been programmed to believe in scarcity. There is no such thing as scarcity. Scarcity is a man-made event. So now it is time for you to connect with Source. It is time for you to become an individual expression of God on earth. That is identity stabilization. So identity stabilization equals nervous system, sorry about that. Identity stabilization equals nervous system regulation. So identity stabilization equals nervous system regulation. Identity stabilization. Identity stabilization. Identity stabilization. That is the benefit of enrolling in the program and take advantage of the 6-month course that I'm offering today with the 75% off. For the next 3 days, 75% off for the next 3 days. Because it's all about identity stabilization. Because once the identity is stabilized, then the nervous system can be regulated and the income can be amplified. If there is no identity stabilization, there cannot be no nervous system regulation. And if there is no nervous system regulation, there will be no income amplification. Just that simple, no matter how you slice it and dice it. So again, this is an identity extinction event. People's identities are being destroyed through artificial intelligence. So your job is to not fight it, not argue about it. You don't cry about it. No, you monetize it. And the way that you do that is by joining me with my 6-month program. That's 75% off for the next 3 days. And again, just text, email, call. You already know what to do. Regular price is $5 grand for the entire 6 months program. Man, there's so much stuff in there. And we'll be all night going through the what's all included inside of the program, inside the system. Only thing that you want to do today is to make sure that you jump on and take advantage of the 3-month sale that we have, that I got going on right now, and take advantage of this opportunity to join the 6-month identity transformation protocol. Because again, in order to win, you have to go within. The people who are able to stabilize their identity, they can regulate their nervous system, and then they'll be able to amplify or increase their income. Again, 75% off. The day is July the 21st. Starts the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. 75% off. You already know what to do. It's your boy. I'm going to see you at the top. God bless.